Hello dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start with the second part of the simple sentences. But before talking about the remaining part of simple sentence, let's subscribe my channel by rating DHIMTA. Like, share and comment. Yes dear student, before going ahead, let's refresh your memory that what exactly we have done in our previous part. In our previous video, we were talking about the synthesis of simple sentences. Dear student, I want to tell you one very important thing that according to clause structure, our sentences have been divided into three parts. These are simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Although there is one more which we usually called mixed sentence, compound, complex sentence. Simple sentence is one which has only one principal clause which contains subject and predicate, no subordinate. Okay, compound sentence has two principal clause but no subordinate clause. But dear student, I want to tell you here again कि जब इन दो principal clause को एक clause में change करना होता है, there are some very interesting keywords which join them together with the help of conjunctions. These are coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or, for, nor, so, yet. And the second kind is transitional kinds of keywords like however, nevertheless, therefore. Correlating co-conjunctions are either, or, neither, nor, both, etc. As far as concerned about the complex sentences are those sentences in which we have one principal clause and one or more than one subordinate clause. As I have already told you about the subordinate clause, it has been further divided into three parts: adverb clause, adjective clause and noun clause. Dear student, in our previous video we learned how to synthesize a simple sentence. There are some rules to make new simple sentence. If there is a use of is, am, are, was, were as verb in the sentence, so इसकी जगह पर being का use करके नया simple sentence बनाया जा सकता है. How? Have a look. In rule number 2, we learn that how if there is a fastness in the action in second sentence, so पहले सेंटेंस की वर्ब को पार्टिसिपल की तरह यूज करते हैं. जो एक्शन पहले हुआ है उस सेंटेंस की वर्ब को पार्टिसिपल के रूप में यूज करके नया सेंटेंस बनाना चाहिए. हाउ लुक. इफ देयर इज नो फास्टनेस इन द एक्शन, सो हाउ टू डू? यूज हैविंग प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. सी दीस एग्जांपल्स. नाउ पास्ट पार्टिसिपल का एडजेक्टिव की तरह यूज करके भी सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाया जा सकता है. सी, by using conjunction at, which is easiest one. Have a look. And conjunction इस तरह के वाक्यों को जोड़ने के लिए यूज किया जाता है जिसके प्रेडिकेट समान हो, सब्जेक्ट डिफरेंट. राइट, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को एंड के द्वारा नया सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाया जाता है. If your predicate is different and subjects is common, so how to do? See, by using nominative absolute. See yourself. Now let's study the remaining part of the synthesis of simple sentences by using noun or phrase in appositions. Apposition का अर्थ होता है साइड बाय साइड. जब सेंटेंस इस तरह के होते हैं कि पहले सेंटेंस में आए किसी नाउन के बारे में ही दूसरे सेंटेंस में कुछ डिटेल दी जाती है, तो ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में नाउन के साथ ही उस डिटेल को लिखा जाता है. लाइक आई वेंट टू लंदन. लंदन इज द कैपिटल ऑफ ब्रिटेन. आई वेंट टू लंदन, द कैपिटल ऑफ ब्रिटेन. यू कैन सी दूसरे सेंटेंस में किस तरह से हमने पहले वाले नाउन की डिटेल दी है. आई लाइक साक्षी. साक्षी इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल इन दिस टाउन. We will not write Sakshi twice. I like Sakshi, comma, the most beautiful girl in this town. Gandhiji was a moralist. He had once been a lawyer. He struggled hard to attain freedom. एक ही आदमी के लिए हम बार बार सब्जेक्ट अलग अलग यूज नहीं करेंगे while we make new sentence. See how गांधी जी, a moralist, once a lawyer, struggled hard to attain freedom. Now how to make new sentence? By using prepositions with noun or gerund. ऐसे सिंपल सेंटेंस को जोड़ने के लिए preposition का यूज किया जाता है जिनमें वापस में कोई कारण या अन्य प्रकार का रिलेशंस होता है. लाइक he was rusticated for breaking the school window. He completed his walk. It struck 7. He completed his walk up to 7 o'clock. His wife died. He heard the news. He lost consciousness. There are 3 main clauses. How to make new simple sentence. On hearing the news of his wife's death, he lost consciousness. Dear student, you can see that there is very much close relationship with the both statement. Okay, if there is a cause, so there may be a result. Let's study that how to make new simple sentence by using infinitive. Infinitive क्या होते हैं? Using to, right? Infinitive का use ऐसे sentences को जोड़ने के लिए किया जाता है जिन वाक्यों के वापस में इंटरडिपेंडेंस नजर आती हो. ऐसे सेंटेंसेस भी इन्फिनेटिव का प्रयोग किया जाता है जिसमें वापस में कारण और परिणाम का संबंध दिखाई देता हो. बट बी केयरफुल, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को नॉमिनेटिव एब्सोल्यूट द्वारा इसलिए नहीं जोड़ा जा सकता बिकॉज नॉमिनेटिव एब्सोल्यूट के मामले में कर्ता या सब्जेक्ट डिफरेंट होते हैं. राइट? एक कार्यों के बाद दूसरा कार्य होता है. इन्फिनेटिव द्वारा जोड़े गए सेंटेंसेस में कार्य आगे पीछे नहीं होता है बल्कि साथ साथ होने का वापस में रिलेशंस दिखाता है. लाइक आई विल गो, आई विल सेटल द मैटर. सी, यहां पे एक्शन के साथ साथ होने का एहसास होता है. आई विल गो, मैं वहां जाऊंगा. I will settle the matter. Matter को settle करूंगा. So, how to make new sentence? I will go there to settle the matter by using infinitive. To. To is here. To settle the matter. I came here. He signed the agreement. I came here to sign the agreement. I have no money. I cannot pay you now. I have no money to pay you now. How to make new simple sentence by using adjective or adverb. Dear student, it's very interesting. Let's try to know how we can make it out. जब दो sentences इस तरह के होते हैं कि एक में एक्शन होने का कारण दूसरा सेंटेंस होता है तो ऐसे sentences में enough का यूज करके एक सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाया जाता है. How? He is intelligent. He can solve this puzzle. There are 2 principal clause. First clause हम वैसे का वैसे ही लिखेंगे. Right after this we will write enough. He is intelligent enough to solve this puzzle. I have time. I can go to hospital. I have time enough to go to hospital. He is rich. He can buy this hotel. He is rich enough to buy this hotel. Let's try more, dear student. It's really very much interesting in our regular usage. Let's study the last part of synthesis of a simple sentences by using TOO. जब दो सिंपल सेंटेंसेस में किसी एक्शन के ना होने का रीजन पहले सेंटेंस में दिया हो तो टू का प्रयोग करके एक नया सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाया जाता है. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस यूजुअली हमारे एग्जामिनेशन में आते रहते हैं. लाइक ही इज वेरी वीक, ही कैन नॉट वॉक. हाउ टू मेक न्यू सेंटेंस? एज आई सेड दैट यूजिंग टू इन द सेम सेंटेंस. एक ही सेंटेंस में टू और टू का यूज करेंगे. कैसे? ही इज टू वीक टू वॉक. अंडरस्टूड? He is very poor. He cannot pay his fees. He is too poor to pay his fees. The tea is very hot. I cannot drink it. How to make new simple sentence? The tea is too hot to drink. I hope, dear student, you understood all. If you didn't understand that, go one more time. You definitely will. Dear student, I hope you understood all about the synthesis of simple sentences. Simple sentences is a sentence in which we have only principal clause, which has one subject and a predicate. But here, when we synthesize the simple sentence, there may be more than one principal clause, there may be more than one sentence, but when we want to make it one simple sentence, there should be one subject and one predicate. How? See, by using and, by nominative absolute, by using phrase and apposition, by using noun and gerund, adjective or adverb, using infinitive and using to and to, etc. Dear student, very soon I'll be there with the next video in which we will discuss about the synthesis of compound sentences. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.